Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Australian University has developed world's first bionic eye which will fully restore vision of blind people. An ancient skeleton with some of the world's oldest gold found in Bulgaria. Cuddling will put a woman in a peaceful state of mind. It can reduce her stress and strengthen her heart. Approximate 80% of a child's intelligence is acquired from her mother. Only 75% of water is wet. A medium-sized cumulus cloud weighs about the same as 80 elephants. The average adult has about 10 units of blood in his body. Roughly 1 unit is given during a donation. The world record for the longest pee is 508 seconds. Laughter has been a proven way to lose weight. When a woman is attracted to a man, she speaks in a higher pitch than normal. On an average, a person spends 90,000 hours of his lifetime at work. Days without sleep can result in death. 1 minute of anger weakens the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. On an average, women cry approximately 30 to 64 times a year. Men cry up to only 6 times a year. Sex relieves pain 10 times better than typical pain pills. Tapping even for 6 minutes can help improve your memory. If you were to remove all of the empty space from the atoms that make up every human on earth, the entire world population could fit into an apple. The inside of your cheek is made of the same tissue as the inside of vagina. Doha, Qatar is the only place with blue roads. The US Navy has 75 trained dolphins to detect enemy swimmers and underwater mines. Two guys create leather from cactus will save 1 billion animals killed for fashion. The spot on LAT is Wyoming is known as the highway to heaven. Watermelon is natural Viagra which can also cure erectile dysfunction. Picture of professional dancer Kylie Shia's foot strength. She is an American ballet dancer. The smell of chocolate can be calming and help you relax. There is a diamond mine in Arkansas that is open to public. Visitors can keep whatever the gems they find. Studies show that if a man meets a woman in a dangerous situation and vice versa, they are more likely to fall in love. Kim Jong is so heartless that he ordered North Koreans to give up their pet dogs for meat to deal with food shortage. chocolate, and laughter are all important to a healthy brain. The human mind only maintains complete trust once on each person. Ghee helps in weight loss. Rum cures sore throat. Or boost brain power. Phobia is the word for the irrational fear of being happy. Narnia, recently he became a dad to these two cutie pies in each color. Vodka cures toothaches. The world's most cheese is expensive, made from donkey's milk. John McAfee, the creator of McAfee antivirus software, has been found dead in Spanish jail. Your nose is always visible to you. Your mind ignores it through a process called unconscious selective attention. Chinese developer builds 10-story building in Changsha in just over 28 hours. Tesla spent $0 on advertising for every car they sold, while Jaguar spent $1,400 per car on advertising. Hasim Amla pays 50% of his match fees as fine for not wearing the logo of an alcohol company in his jersey. Woman finds out boyfriend cheated on her after Fitbit showed he had burned 500 calories at 2 a.m. Students in China tie their hair to the ceiling to prevent falling asleep while studying. 71% of engineers don't trust the first answer their calculator gives them. Philippines woman orders fried chicken for son, receive deep fried towel instead. A male climax lasts for 6 seconds while a female climax lasts for 23 seconds. Regular sex can make you smarter, but not regular masturbation. Thanks for watching.